Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It is day 2 of our Paris trip.
You've got to believe us, even though we look as though that we're wearing the same outfit.
Don't worry, we're just wearing the same jackets and hat. But yeah, we're heading off to Walt Disney Studios. We're going to spend a couple of hours there, go on, like, see what rides we can get on. Because yesterday it wasn't so busy. Hopefully it shouldn't be as busy today. And also we go check the shop that's just when you arrive at Studios, because they have really good sales. That's where we found all our plates, bowls, our glasses. We haven't really seen on Twitter yet because we haven't really checked on Twitter if more stuff has been added on the sales. We're also gonna get some food. Quite hungry. I'm fancying like a breakfasty pancake with some chocolate spread.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I wonder what one of those is.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah. I mean, we had something similar to that, but that was
a dessert. That was a dessert though.
So it won't be that then.
No, it'd be something completely different. It's very breakfasty, very good. You know, I'm gonna go for one of them. Do you think so?
Maybe.
Yeah, we'll see.
I might see what Earl's got.
Yeah, we'll see what else has got as well. Just walking past and you can see all these fish. I'm not sure you see them, just little big fish.
Huge.
Huge.
All asleep.
All asleep. Just heading over. I think we're gonna go to Earl Sandwich, which we can just see the sign over there. But it's very foggy today. Like you can just see Newport Bay in the distance. But it's okay. The balloon's up.
Must be good weather today.
Must be great weather to see.
Must be a great view up there with the park.
Yeah, it must be a great view to see the park up there today. So through security, Earl Sandwich. Yeah, Earl Sandwich.
Let's try it.
Let's try it.
So Earl Sandwich for breakfast, you get the French breakfast, the American breakfast, and the English breakfast. Then we're going to go for the American breakfast, but with no cheese.
No cheese.
I'm so hungry. I'm just going to show you the menu while we're here. Like, if you're a fan of Earl Sandwich in America, they have a selective amount of subs.
They got Hawaiian barbecue.
But they got a Hawaiian barbecue and a Philly cheesesteak, which is very good.
They don't have...
The Chipotle chicken avocado is very good as well.
They don't have the holiday one.
No, but that's all you got. We've got the usual brownie puddings, chocolate puddings, salad, fruit salads, parfaits, massive cookie, bread pudding, cookies, brownies, muffins. Here it is. Let's have a look. So this is what it looks like. We just got an egg and bacon with no cheese, and Dave's got the same. It's very, very hot. Breakfast is all done. It was actually really nice, actually.
Very good. I enjoyed it.
Should we go off to a park now?
Studios.
I can't take you seriously with that hat.
Yes, you can. There's a guy there painting all over all the hands, and they painted over the lab baby.
Lab baby's gone now.
He's gone. No. Taken away.
He probably took the dirt from over here.
Walt Disney Studios, the only park that has an Eiffel Tower. What a claim to fame, eh, Steph? And I actually gonna pull another one out. Probably the first part that actually started the projection on Tower of Terror.
Yeah.
Never started anywhere else, but here. So we're gonna head in. Where are we gonna go first, Steph?
Oh gosh.
Shops. So let's just keep going forward, ladies and gents. Shop, everybody. The fountain's not working again, so what do? They fit out with plants.
I know they've got rid of like these little Fantasia brooms.
Yeah, oh yeah, the Fantasia statues, that's where they would normally be. That's your sale signs. Not as many as I was expecting. Oh, what have you found for me?
Some goofy pants.
Oh, some goofy pants. Yeah, lovely. Nope. Heading through Studio 1, sadly not many sales. I don't think
Why do I feel like we've not planned this right?
We've planned this too early, Steph.
I don't know.
We've come too early.
I bet you the last day.
Last day when we leave they'll be open, yeah, probably. But we're going to go through Studio 1, see how long the waits are for rides, if I can get my words out. You're saying there's still Christmas lights in here?
What? Very light.
Fairy lights. And also, I've seen this on Twitter, but you're probably noticing there's a long... Normally this isn't here. This little roof bit is not here. But there's something above us though, Steph.
Is that? Behind you.
It's behind you. It's a big TIE fighter for the Seasons of the Force, which starts this Saturday when we leave. When we leave. Last time we were here, I don't remember these pillars being here. All of these carpet. Oh, no, I don't remember any of this stuff. Maybe I
We just never looked up.
don't remember this bit here, that big screen. Maybe we didn't look. I don't remember. It's a Wally cup. Yeah.
Oh no, it doesn't. I would have thought it would start.
Like in the films that you see. Oh, ruined. Look at this cool pin. Disneyland Park. Got Mickey, got all the big rides on there. That's awesome. I'm telling you, they're adding things to this place I'm not realising. When did Herbie join the crew? And this bit here in the middle. This was never here in the middle. I don't remember. My memory's getting terrible now. Oh, look at this. This is cool. That's a cool bag. Here's the partner statue. That is not in a Disneyland park. Every other statue one is always in a Disneyland park except for France. That's to be a bit different here. And then over there they've got the stage has changed. It used to be the Goofy one when we were here around the November time. Now they've changed it to Seasons of the Force, which is awesome. Elastigirl's there greeting people. We're going to get some fast passes for the Tower, see what time it is to return. Got fast passes for 1 o'clock for Tower of Terror, which I've heard rumours. Apparently it's not going to turn into a Guardians of the Galaxy ride. It's going to be rethemed into a Tower of Terror ride, but no Twilight Zone.
Yes.
But this is only rumours, nothing confirmed. It may still change. I think it should, but that's just our opinion. But you agree as well?
I love Tower of Terror and I love it. Like, I really want to go on the Guardians of the Galaxy one in California.
Yes.
Like, really do.
Badly.
It looks really cool. And if they can do it here.
One less trip.
Yeah.
One less trip to do. Going through Toy Story Playland. It's a little bit busy down here. Everyone's wanting to go on the parachute ride, which we've been on. Remember that time we went on when we went trip with Ellie? That was a scary ride. But it's quite quiet, which is nice.
Yeah, it is really quiet.
It is really good.
What time of day it is, man.
Exactly.
10 minutes?
10 minutes for Slinky's spinner. Should I think?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. I think she likes your hat. She looks at your hat like, I like this hat. We've been on this before actually. It's really good fun. It's a good laugh, isn't it? Time for Slinky. Slinky. Go, Slinky, go. You wanna go on his butt? We're going on his butt? I'm gonna go on his butt. Yes. Ruin.
I'm gonna shake that tail for you.
Shake it like your mama gave it to you.
Let me slide. I'm sliding.
Well, hi. How you doing?
Get away from me. Get away from me.
Oh gosh, I need to move. Come on, Steph. Pull yourself. Use those arms. No, it's not happening now. We're getting close. Yes. This is how we first met. Here's the Crush Coaster, which we've been on before. Which we were not expecting when we went on this ride, didn't we? We were just expecting it to be like a chill out sort of mini little kids coaster. But it is so much more than that. So much more.
If you're familiar with Spinball Wizard, yes.
This is it.
In the dark.
Yes.
With Dude and Crush talking.
Yep. And seeing Brucey.
Yeah. Like
Righteous. And hello. My name's Bruce.
It's a good ride.
He's a good rider, yeah. Very clever. Hey. That's a wrap for Cheers for the moment. We'll come back because we've got our fast passes. But we're going to head over to Disneyland Park.
Yeah.
See what it's like over there.
Yeah.
And see more shopping.
Yeah.
There's a balloon! Last balloon! Goodbye! Yeah, there's 2 balloons in that tree. The lost balloon saga continues, Steph. Looks like the Christmas tree has disappeared. I can see straight through now to the castle, which is nice. Still a couple more garlands around, but still. Christmas is officially over here in Disney when the tree's gone. It's done.
Done, that's it.
It's over.
Everything else is slowly getting taken down.
Yeah, exactly. So, heading through Discovery. And I think we should go on a bit of Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear to the rescue.
And another really cool, interesting tip. They give out free water at the quick service areas. So
So
same as Florida.
ask away, people.
You know, if you want to save €3 per bottle of Coke or €3 on drink, fizzy drink, tap water.
There you go. It's good. 15-minute wait for Buzz Lightyear Laser Blast. There's Buzz, looking a bit more assembled than the last time we saw him. He was a bit detached. It's time. It's time. Are you ready for this? You're taking both guns? Fire! Ah! Hey! Ah! Ah! It's so hard! Oh, look at that! That's cool. I've never seen that before. Fire the buttons on him! Hit the set! Oh! My hands hurt. Ah. Ah. Oh. Oh.
Never mess around with Star Command, sir.
I don't know what happened. Right, so we have returned to studios. About to get on our fast pass, is it?
Yeah.
But we bumped into two lovely people.
Sammy and Hannah.
Hello. Lovely to meet you. Yeah, Tweedledee and Tweedledum. They're so cool.
Dude, looks so cozy and so warm. And so creative as well.
Disney bounding at its finest. Ada!
We just look like we're about to go on a hike, and these guys are just
winter wear. It's harder in the winter to do bound.
That's very true.
So good.
Yeah, like I haven't done January bounds before. This is like took some severe effort.
Got the most amazing gloves as well. Like,
Snowy gloves.
See, they're not snowy as much anymore. I'm gonna have bald gloves soon.
Have you seen the fireworks?
We haven't seen them because we haven't watched them all week, so I think we need to do it tonight.
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll later on. Watch them tonight.
I agree.
Watch fireworks tonight.
Watch the illuminations.
Watching parade as well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll see you there.
See you guys there.
See you later. Bye. Bye vlog. Time for the Tower of Terror, which is staying as Tower of Terror apparently. Ooh, spooky.
I just had someone doing this to me, and I thought it was Dave, because Dave's notorious for just playing around and fidgeting. And no, I turned around and I saw him, who was quite far away from me, laughing at me. Oh, we gone dark. And no, found out it was a cast member, just constantly doing this. Oh, there was a nice smell of, oh, was it that? I was like, oh, there's a nice smell of like cherry and vanilla. And I've just found out it's this hand sanitizer. I thought it was coming from this building.
It's the Seasons of the Fall stage. Last time we were here, we saw it was all blue and it was all snowy and Goofy's Christmas thing. Now it's back to Star Wars. Oh yeah. We are back here at Disneyland Park. We're gonna get some food.
It's so quick to actually run to both parks.
It's great.
It should just merge into one big park.
It should just, yes, there should be a train that connects to the parks.
Yeah.
Look who it is.
Oh, it's not amazing.
Look at that cute dog, all colourful with wings. So amazing. He does, doesn't he?
Okay, so we went to the Mexican. So this is what we got. Look at this, look at this. So we went with the a la carte menu instead of a meal deal. Because we didn't really want to drink soda, although you can get bottles of water. And we didn't really want the sides and all that other stuff. So I got an a la carte taco salad bowl, which was $6.99. Dave got some loaded fries, which was $9.99, and we got a massive king cone, and that was €3.79. And we got some just a cup of tap water. So altogether, it cost $18.69.
Cheap.
There you go. I'm excited about this. Look, it's a proper tortilla. Hold on. Look, it's a proper. Did you just break my thing?
Tastes good though.
So yeah, it's a proper tortilla bowl. Look at that. Right.
So we just finished our food at the Mexican restaurant, which was really good. We really enjoyed it. But we're just here looking at on the mountain because it's just broken down. And it's like a staff member.
There's two guys.
Two guys apparently. There's two people just kind of behind the trees. There you go. They're just going into that cave bit, looking around. So either something's fallen. Beg your pardon. Something's either fallen or something's wrong with the track. So just checking it out. And then while we're looking at that, we're all looking at Phantom Manor because you can see all the scaffolding just coming up now. The big 9 months of refurbishments or whatever they're doing is starting. Looking forward to seeing what happens. Hello, Disney ducks.
Oh, I'm
Yo,
sorry.
you're just so eager. You're thinking I've got food. I'm really sorry. I ate food. I ate some food. It was really nice, but I don't have anything for you, mate.
Oh, look at the eye. She's giving me the eye. She's like,
It's like what Jess gives me. And Jess knows I'm here.
I'm sorry, guys.
I'm sorry.
Disney ducks, yay!
Living the highlight. Milo One-Eye Jones. Madam Piota. That would have been the one that was shooting inside the ride. And he goes pew 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 pew.
Oh,
That's him. Must be him. Very clever. And then you got
is all related to the actual attraction.
yeah. And then you got no admittance by order of the Thunder Mesa Town Council. This mansion will remain closed until all strange sightings and mysterious occurrences have been thoroughly investigated.
Ooh.
So that's pretty cool.